Hi guys, it's Peg, and today it's Gifted or Grid It with StencilGirl products. This will be showing on their blog, but what I want to talk to you about are simple wrapping techniques. Now, these are just two different sandwich bags options. One is a wax paper sandwich bag, which to me looks very much like those glassine bags, right? Looks like those glassine bags that they're selling in the craft stores for quite a bit of money. I think you can get 50 of those with closure stickers. They send stickers with it. And then these are just paper sacks. So depending on what you're gifting, whether, if you're sending a dessert or something, you probably want it in the waxed stuff. But they also, like if you have something artistic, like a mini journal or something like that, one of these cute little journals can fit into one of these bags quite easily and go as a gift. And you can decorate this all up and put it in there and give it as a gift to one of your arty friends that would love to have this to go into their purse. So, the paper bags, let me get one of those out, are also really nice because they're kind of a craft paper, the brown craft paper, and it makes a great background, especially if you're stenciling. Now, Shel and I, gift or grid, we can't just go one way or the other, so we will be packaging things for gift giving, because it's all about gifts. It's all about that season. But we also picked out some stencils to go with that. So I think that these would be really nice if you're gifting things like, make tags and put them on bottles of vinegar that you've added herbs and things to. These would be great. I love this one because of the design here. So I'm going to make a few things and we'll come back and I'll show you This nice stack of decorative tags. These are from Julie Nutting. But you know, you could cut tags out of any of those pretty papers. And I have this stencil, which is the one that I told you about that has all of the different herbs, parsley, rosemary, thyme, that sort of thing. And I'm thinking this would be a good one to use on these tags. So what I'm going to do is pick a tag and stencil. First one I'm going to do is this one right here. And I think I'll use a little pixie spray on the back. This is one of the best stenciling adhesives. You put it on and then you let it sit for about a minute. And once it's been sitting for about a minute, then you can apply it. And because we're doing herbs, I think I will just start with this one here. And I think it's going to fit just like that. And if I wanted to make some vinegar with something in it, this is going to be a great tag to go on top of that. I want my darkest green, I think, for this one, which is a fern green. It's a little bit hard to see on here, but once we get some color down, you'll be able to see the image. Just fine. And this has almost a little resist to it. Not sure if that was intentional or not, but that's the way it's working for me here. And I'm going to put these words on here too. We've got sage, and I think there's thyme down here at the bottom. I just think these are so stinking cute. I mean, wouldn't you love to get a bottle of herb flavored vinegar or oil or something with a cute tag like this on it? And I think I will add those other words on there also. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. So I hope this helps you with your gift giving this year. Be sure and check out Stencil Girl products for all the stencils that have been used in this particular video. And remember, stencils make great gifts too. So from me to you, happy holidays, and I'll see you again soon.